Hi, I'm JB Baker, VP of Marketing and Product Management here at ScaleFlux. ScaleFlux is a leader in developing innovative technologies and products to connect data with compute to address the challenges of building a modern, sustainable data center. The first set of products we've developed are a better class of NVMe SSD. Specifically, these are computational storage drives that are based on our own custom SoC processor. So how does the CSD 3000 differ from other computational storage drive offerings? In the CSD 3000, we've integrated all of the functionality for the compute and the flash management into a single chip. That saves us on board space, power, and cost to free up all of those elements to deliver more performance, more storage density, and more functionality out of the drive. So what is a computational storage drive? A computational storage drive is an advancement in enterprise NVMe SSDs to improve overall system efficiency. This is accomplished through moving compute functionality directly down into the drives. Moving that functionality down into the drives results in better application performance, better drive sustainability, and better overall TCO. Our customers are deploying CSDs into a variety of mission-critical applications, including AI, high-performance databases, and edge computing. All right, so moving specifically into the CSD 3000 that we're here to introduce. The 3000 series of products is based upon our SFX 3000 processor. It's a computational storage processor that integrates the computational storage functions together with the functions of an ordinary NVMe SSD into a single chip. This computational storage processor brings new levels of performance, endurance, and reliability to NVMe SSDs. CSD 3000 series carries forward the unique transparent compression decompression functionality that we deployed in the CSD 2000 series. This transparent compression, combined with our unique variable length mapping flash translation layer, allows users to store up to 4 times the amount of data per gigabyte of flash on the drive. So that we're taking advantage of compressibility in your data to allow you to improve your storage economics, improve the performance of the drives, improve the latency of the drives, and improve the endurance of the drives to result in better application performance and overall system TCO. What's new in the CSD 3000 over the 2000 generation is the inclusion of encryption to protect your data at rest and meet TCG/OPAL standards, as well as the transition to using NVMe standard drivers. So in the 2000 gen, we had a ScaleFlux driver. In the 3000 gen, we're using the NVMe drivers that are in box. This allows you to use the drives in Linux environments, Windows environments, VMware environments, any place where there's a built-in NVMe driver, and it avoids any risks or challenges with putting in unique software or having to install drivers to manage these devices. So it just plugs in like any other ordinary NVMe SSD. So how does the CSD 3000 differ from other computational storage drive offerings? In the CSD 3000, we've integrated all of the functionality for the compute and the flash management into a single chip. That saves us on board space, power, and cost to free up all of those elements to deliver more performance, more storage density, and more functionality out of the drive. So what does it look like to deploy a CSD as opposed to an ordinary NVMe SSD? It really doesn't look any different at all. We deploy these as the U.2 and E1S form factors, so standard SSD form factors. They plug right into the same slots that an NVMe SSD would do. They're using the same drivers that your NVMe SSD does. And again, from that simplicity or ease of use, you don't have to make any changes to your application. So you're not having to refactor your applications in order to take advantage of the performance, endurance, and capacity benefits that you get out of a computational storage drive from ScaleFlux. So if this sounds pretty interesting so far and you'd like to learn more, you can visit us on scaleflux.com and just click the Contact Us, and we'll get you in touch with a solutions architect to assess how this might benefit you in your particular environment. If you're ready and looking to figure out where to buy, then again, contact us and we can connect you with one of the many system integrators and VARs and OEMs that we work with around the world.